So today I will be going to demonstrate my lab 1 of JavaScript. So I have already uploaded my assignment online, and as you can see over here I have created a card view, and whichever type of coffee you want to order, you can just click on that particular tab and it will redirect you to that particular page. So if you want to go for dark roast, then you want to select espresso shot or dark roast, you can go direct. So I want to order a regular coffee over here, so let's just order a regular coffee. My name is Pratham and I want a grand size. I want to add drizzle on it. I don't want any whipped cream, not cold foam, no sweetener. I want 2% milk on it as well. And I would just place an order on it and it would show my whole order on the alert box, like thank you Pratham for selecting regular coffee. The size of the drink is grand and the modifiers are drizzle. Over here I have selected yes on drizzle only, so it would only display the drizzle. Rest I have selected no over here, so it would won't display over here. Also I have selected milk over here, so it would display the milk over here. And let's just go to the code. So I have created a function over here and I have fetched all the data, the input, and then I have created an object literal over here, and then I have created another function which would validate the radio button. Like if the user clicks on the yes, it will print out the value of the yes. And then I have created created an alert message which would display the data that was being fetched over here. And then I have simply called that function on a button